You just ordered a Thermomix. You're so excited, right? And then sometimes the next feeling hits. I'm overwhelmed. Everyone says Thermomix is easy to use, and it is. But where do you actually start? What should you cook first? What videos should you watch before your Thermomix even arrives? If that's where you are, don't worry. Let's fix that. I'm going to show you the 5 videos I would watch in order after buying a Thermomix. And please stay till the end for the bonus tip, because this is especially important if you're about to buy your Thermomix but you haven't clicked that button yet. Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to go through 5 steps. So dance with me, okay? Set up Cookidoo before your Thermomix arrives. Thermomix usually ships very quickly, so you may only have a couple of days before it shows up at your door. This is the perfect time to set up your Cookidoo account. Cookidoo is where you'll find thousands of guided recipes, and you can start using it before your Thermomix arrives. You can browse recipes, save your favorites, organize folders, plan what you want to cook first, and even create your shopping list. So instead of waiting until the box arrives and then wondering what to do, use this time to get ready. The first video I recommend is my Cookidoo tutorial. I will leave the link in the description. It shows you how to adjust your filters so you can find recipes from all over the world, save recipes, create shopping lists, and start feeling comfortable inside Cookidoo. Unbox it with a plan. Now your Thermomix has arrived. You have the big box in front of you, the parts, the manual, the excitement, and maybe a tiny bit of panic. That's okay. This is the video I recommend watching, either right before you open the box or while you're opening it. I walk you through the setup, what to expect, and how to get all the way to your first recipe. It is not too much information, not too little, just what you need for day 1. Here's the video right here, and of course, I will leave the link in the description. Decide what to cook first. This is where many people get stuck. I have a friend who tells me, I will use my Thermomix every day if you just told me what to cook. And I get it. Cookidoo has thousands of recipes, which is amazing, but at the beginning, it can also make it harder to decide. My advice, start basic. Make something easy, just so you can understand how Thermomix works. Some people want to make the most impressive recipe on their first day to prove to themselves that the purchase was worth it, but that can be counterproductive. At the beginning, you want to learn the concept, use it a few times, understand the advantages one by one, and then yes, make the lobster bisque, but maybe not on day 1. So if you're wondering what to cook first, this is the video I recommend. I answer that question and I give you ideas to help you get started without overthinking it. And yes, the link will be in the description. Understand the accessories before you buy more. Do you need the extra accessories right away? No, your Thermomix alone can keep you busy for months and years. But if you saw things on the Thermomix website, like the Cutter Plus, the blade cover and peeler, the sensor, the second bowl, or the nester, and you're wondering what they actually do, then this is the video to watch. I compare the main extra accessories, explain what each one is for, and help you decide which one makes sense for the way that you cook. This is the video right here, and the link is in the description. Once you start saving recipes, it can get out of control very quickly. You have recipes you want to try, recipes you already made, recipes for guests, desserts, basics, weeknight dinners, and suddenly your favorites are everywhere. In this video, I give you a tour of my own Cookidoo folders. I show you how I organize recipes, how I keep track of the ones I want to make, and I mention some of my favorite recipes that are absolutely worth trying. So, if you want many ideas and a system, this is the video to watch. It's right here, and you guessed it, the link will be in the description. And now, the bonus tip. And this is especially important if you're about to buy your Thermomix but haven't clicked that button yet. When you choose a consultant at checkout, you receive a $50 accessory voucher for a future purchase. At least that's the rule at the time I'm making this video. But that is only part of the value. The real value of having a consultant is that you have a Thermomix person in your corner. Someone you can text when you have a question, when a recipe is asking for a step that seems maybe confusing, when you're not sure what accessory to choose, or when you just need ideas for what to cook next. So, if someone introduced you to Thermomix, did a demo for you, or has been helping you, please choose their name at checkout. It only adds a minute to your process, not even, and it will make a big difference. for both of you. And if you don't have a consultant, because I am not here to steal you from anybody, okay, then you can email me right here if you have questions before purchase or if you want a demo, or you can choose my name at checkout, Diana Legissima, at your service. That way you will receive the $50 accessory voucher. You'll be supporting my channel and I'll be there to support you after your Thermomix arrives. So there you go, 5 videos to watch after buying your Thermomix. In the order I will watch them. They don't replace the help of a consultant, but they will give you a very strong start while you connect with your consultant in person or online. I hope they get you super excited to start cooking. I will keep making tutorials so you can keep learning. And if this video helped you, please like it and follow for more Thermomix tips. There's a lot more where that came from. Thank you so much.